Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. 3.4 million people do not simply disappear. They vanish only when history chooses silence over arithmetic. 77 years ago, on February 28, 1948, the 1st Battalion Somerset Light Infantry sailed out of Bombay Harbour. They were the last British troops to leave India. Official reports were filed. Power was transferred. But across Punjab, Bengal and Sindh, trains were still arriving filled with corpses. The Kashmir War raged. The siege of Skardu had entered its third week, and millions were on the move. For decades, official narratives described partition as communal riots with death tolls ranging from 200,000 to 1 million. But demographic analysis tells a different story, one rooted not in rhetoric but in census mathematics. In 2008, economists Prashant Bharadwaj, Asim Khwaja, and Atif Mian conducted a rigorous census gap study titled The Partition of India: Demographic Consequences. They compared 1931, 1941, and 1951 district-level census data across more than 400 districts. Step 1. Calculate expected outflows. Using 1931 as the baseline, researchers projected minority populations forward to 1951 using standard annual growth rates of 1.3 to 1.5%. They estimated that 17.9 million people should have migrated during partition. Step 2. Count actual arrivals. The 1951 censuses of India and Pakistan recorded 14.5 million documented refugees. 7.3 million Hindus and Sikhs arrived in India, and 7.2 million Muslims arrived in Pakistan. Step 3. Subtract. 17.9 million expected migrants minus 14.5 million recorded arrivals leaves 3.4 million people missing. Where did they go? The data suggests that approximately 2.5 to 3 million deaths account for most of the gap, including 1 to 1.5 million killed in direct violence, massacres, and train ambushes, and another 1 to 1.5 million who died from cholera, typhoid, starvation, and exposure during migration. Mortality rates among migrants reached 15 to 16%. An additional 100,000 to 500,000 cases reflect forced conversions and abductions, many involving women who were later enumerated under new religious identities. A smaller residual reflects census disruption. Regional patterns show asymmetry. In West Punjab, Hindu and Sikh populations fell from roughly 15 to 20% to just 1.6% by 1951. Muslims in East Punjab also suffered heavy losses. But district-level data reveals systematic elimination of minorities in specific territories, not random chaos. Events like Direct Action Day in 1946 and the hurried drawing of the Radcliffe Line intensified religious polarization. The ideological foundation of the two-nation theory demanded separation along religious lines. The numbers do not accuse, they document. 3.4 million missing people represent one of the largest unrecognized demographic catastrophes of the 20th century. Census evidence does not rely on memory or politics. It relies on arithmetic. If history is to be honest, it must confront its numbers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel and read more in-depth analysis at Hindu Infopedia.